Well, I'm guessing if you're watching this video, you had one of your Traxxas ESCs get the 4 red blinking lights of death. And just like me, you probably are scouring the internet trying to see if somebody figured out how to fix it. I'm sorry to tell you, I'm not one of the people either. So what I did is I called Traxxas, and within a minute or two of being on the phone, they issued me out an RMA. And I was like, okay. I'm like, cool. Are they going to take care of it for free? What's going to happen here? And so the representative told me, they said, you're going to sit in your motor and your electronic speed controller. And as far as I knew, my motor was fine. So I was kind of like, why, right? But I didn't say anything. I was like, okay, cool. They said, fill out the warranty information. So I was like, okay. So I got off the phone. I went to fill out the warranty information, and I didn't have a receipt. I didn't have the location for this because it was so long ago, and I bought it out of state. So I was kind of stuck, right? So I emailed them. They said, just put in fill it out the best you can, and then make sure you provide the serial number. The serial number is on the electronic speed controller. I had to figure that out. So after emailing them back and forth, the only thing I had to do was ship it to them. I had to pay for shipping. That cost me about 11 bucks. They said what they were going to do is test it out, figure out what was going on, and then worst case scenario is that I have to pay half the price for the new electronic speed controller or whatever. So I was like, okay, well, how much do they even cost? So I'm about to put a screenshot up there, but it was like $140 for the speed controller and $120 for the motor. So after they had it a couple days, I get a call back from Traxxas saying, we need your debit card information. So I went ahead and gave them that, and they charged me 68 bucks. And they sent me this. Just so you know, I don't have anything in there because I sent it out, right? So we're gonna open this up right here and find out exactly what they sent me. This is what you can expect. So basically, if you bought it secondhand, like off of OfferUp or something, how would they know? How would they know I didn't, right? Because I didn't provide a receipt. I didn't provide a location. I filled out the best I could, and this is what and then paid 70 bucks. And this is what they sent me right here. All right, let's see. We're gonna, oh, I can actually see sneak peek here. Anyway, so they sent me what looks like, interesting. Well, this can is nicer than my can, right? So they sent me this. I'm not sure if this is a refurbished unit or a new one. They said it was new, but it didn't come in the retail box. But then they did include, yeah, so these sell for $140. I paid $70. You really can't beat that. 50% off. Even the best deal I found used for this setup on eBay was like $140-ish for both. But again, those are used, so they're not warranted. Now since this was brand new, you can have it under warranty. So that's good. And then in addition to that, there's also probably a local hobby shop thing. Yeah, okay. So yeah. Yeah, so that's just how it worked out for me. Maybe other people have had better luck where they got I'm sure because it says limited lifetime warranty, but if you don't got the information and you didn't, register the warranty, then, this is what they'll do. They'll send you something like this for 50% off. You really can't complain. So yeah, that was pretty cool. That's been my experience. If anybody has a fix for it, I would still appreciate that because, well, I have 2 other Maxes, and as of right now they still work, and I still have an X Max as well. As of right now they still work, but you never know when that's going to happen, and since it's an older model, it could happen at any time. But anyway, make sure you like and subscribe because we got more stuff coming soon. All right, thanks for watching.